Okay guys, so don't mind the wiring mess. Today we're going after the parking pole, which is basically this metal wedge that wedges itself in between gears and keeps the motor from spinning. It's like a parking brake. And right now, what happens is when I spin my axle, so here I'm spinning it backwards, you can see this side spins the opposite way. And that's a sign that the parking pole is engaged. That's what I've been told by some friends on the forum and on the YouTubes. So what we need to do is remove this or loosen it so we can spin it counterclockwise and it will click and take it out of park, if you will. So this thing is not meant to be messed with. So it has these anti-tamper bolt heads filled with plastic or epoxy. There's 3 of those. I don't know if you can see the third one, but this is where I use my favorite tools, hammer and a chisel, Neanderthal style. And I'm gonna try to chip those out and loosen it up and catch back with you guys then. Guys, get yourself a hammer and a chisel and you'll have fun for the entire family. So here I managed to liberate one of the caps, anti-tempering caps. So I want to show you what it looks like. So we can see the screw in there now, whereas we can't here. So I got 2 more to do, and yes, the third one is blocked by the VW front chin bottom of radiator support, so that will be fun. A quick update. So the parking pole is off. These things were designed by Satan herself. So those are off, and I'll try to pop these screws out, but there's no way this anti-tempering thing is going back on. Now we have the visibility to the thingy. I can't spin this. I tried a 12.10 mil wrench on it and it's slightly too big. I don't understand why people call you on your camera when you're trying to make a video. So per Latuta's awesome video, hope I'm pronouncing that semi-decent, I'm going to take apart this parking pole, pop out the little gear thing out of it, use that as leverage to turn that spline inside of transmission and see what happens. So here we have it. I took the little actuator apart, then this piece comes off, and this is spline to go on to the splines, obviously. So let me pop it on there. This video sponsored by the Jamie Jones Academy of Film and Steadicams. So then we use our trusty angle grinder apparatus. Now it doesn't fit into the 2 holes, but it will grab 1 and a bit. And do you guys hear the snapperoonie? So I don't know what is what, but let's see if they spin in the same direction. I may need to put you guys down for this. And then also I might try to spin the motor again with this thing clicked.